Hey, what's up guys, Faisal here and welcome back to another video on our channel Billion Dollar iTech. In today's video, we will reset Windows 10 password without losing any data. And this particular software is completely free. So if you guys are interested, stay tuned and let's get started. If your target computer is locked, find another computer to burn the password recovery files to a USB. Step 1 is to download and install the LaceSoft software. I have provided the link in the description below. Once you have downloaded the software, you will see this particular file. Right-click to open the installation. You will see that the installation setup will begin. Click on I accept the agreement. We will leave the installation in default directory. Click on next. Click on next again. Now click on install and let the installation to complete. Step 2. Once the installation is completed, launch the LaceSoft software and plug in the USB to your laptop or computer to transfer the password recovery files. Click on Burn Bootable CD/USB disk button. Over here, we will select target computer Windows version. So for example, the computer I'm targeting to reset the password is a Windows 10 64-bit computer. Here is a quick tip that works most of the time to know your target computer Windows version. If you see this particular screen on target machine, most probably Windows 10 is installed on this computer. Or if you see this screen, it's for Windows 8 or Windows 8.1. And if you see this screen, that means it's Windows 7. As eventually Windows 7 has written on login screen. Alright, so now you know the target machine Windows version. Select that version over here, as I will be resetting Windows 10, so I will select it here. Over here, we will boot the password recovery files from USB. So select the USB as it shows drive F. Let's confirm it from my computer that we are selecting the right drive, as it's gonna format the drive and make sure to back up the files from your USB. Alright, once you have selected the right drive, click on Start. You will see the following message that this will format the USB disk. Click on Yes. This will take around 1 to 2 minutes. Once done, you will see the following message that you are ready to run the recovery tool. Click on Finish and unplug the USB drive. At this stage, we are ready to reset the password of target machine. In step 3, make sure the computer is turned off, or you will need to restart it to go to the boot settings. Plug in the USB drive to target machine and turn on the laptop. But before that, let me quickly show you guys that this account is password protected. Alright, here we can see that this laptop is password protected. So let's just restart the laptop for password recovery. Once the screen is turning on, go to the boot settings. For Dell, it's F12. So press F12 and you will see this particular screen. I will list the other brands boot/BIOS keyboard keys in the description below. For this screen, I will select USB storage device as for the computer to boot on and press Enter. Now what's happening is that Windows is reading files from USB to start the LaceSoft password recovery tool. Wait until it loads the password recovery tool. On this screen, Reset Windows Password is pre-selected. The following message will pop up only for non-commercial use. Click on Yes. Click on Next again. From here, select the account that you would like to reset the password. For our case, we will select third account and then click Next. Over here, we have two options. either to reset, unlock, or to change the password. Since we are using the free version, we can only reset or remove the password. Basically, there is not much difference because the reset option will remove the password from the account, and once you are in, you can set any password. Let's select the reset option to remove the password from the account. Once the password is reset, you will see the following message. That's all, we are good to go. Click OK and then click on Finish. Let's just reboot the computer from bottom left. Fingers crossed. And let's hope this time there is no password. Press Enter. And once the password screen appears, just press Enter again without keying in anything. Hola! Wonderful! There we can see the welcome screen. That means the password reset was successful. Alright, now we can set a new password on this computer. Just press Ctrl-Alt-Delete and click on Change a Password. The old password field, leave it blank and key in new password and click to save. Alright guys, that's all for now. Let us know in the comment section below if this video helps you. If so, give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I'm your host Faisal. Until then, peace.